Okay guys, an update. There was a break in the weather. Zoom out so we'll focus. A shout out to Mr. Paka. He was asking how the pumpkin in the container was. And I would have to say the pumpkin in the container is doing pretty well. As you can tell, it has some new growth. This one's name is Goliath, named by Country Pumpkin Patch. I think that's his name. Pump Patch or something. Country Pump Patch. That's it. Country Pump Patch. Pump Patch. As you can tell, it's doing pretty well. And we have Pumpkin Beast. Where is she? Right there. There we go. I found her. And she's doing pretty well too. Take a look. She's getting some new growth, just like Goliath in the pot over there. And then update on the sweet corn. It is planted in the garden. There's 20 of them in there. 2 rows. 3 rows, 3 rows. Pumpkin Beast is starting to get big, and so is Goliath over there. Well, that's my update for now. You guys take it easy. I'm off.